The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Viewers and subscribers, Dancehall Skilla there. No big up and respect to each and every one. So may I say, and you know, this is just another one of them videos that were really and truly have me it have me thinking, because over and over persons out there say that this whole thing where it is called stealing is not a good thing, but yet still we keep on seeing videos on social media that shows up persons that have been captured because of stealing and all them things there. So may I say, yeah, because right about now I have a video, and this video I'm going to show you right about now, it's going to show of a person that had been captured, you see me, and it is said that this person was involved in a breaking and entering, you understand? And according to what has been said about this video on social media is that this had happened at the place that is known as St. Vincent, which is a country, the country that is known as St. Vincent and the Grenadines. And it is said that this person is just one of other persons that was involved in this breaking and entering. You see me? Now please bear in mind, what I just told you is according to what has been said on social media. You understand? And it might not be necessarily be accurate as to how the information about this whole thing that had happened. You see me? But I'm just telling you according to the sources or according to the information that I got on social media about this video. You understand? According to what has been said on social media, it is said that, a person that is said to be a police officer was there during the whole time the video was being done. You see what I'm saying to you? There's a part in the video that had happened where I'm wondering if this person that is considered to be the thief is more angry than regretting the fact that he had done something like this, you see me? So basically, the reason why I'm saying this is because we see a part in the video where the person tried to hit someone out of anger, according to how me understand it, you see me? Now, based on what had happened in this video, is it that the person that is considered to be the thief, is it that the person was more angry than regretting that the person had done something like this? So me I said to you, yeah. Because of that, I see right about now, I have to really and truly ask that question. Because I look on the person's face and I say, yo, this person look like the person more angry than regretting. You see? But anyways, as I'm about to show you this video right about now, viewers and subscribers, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Alright. Take a look and observe.
No, you can't.
What? Both man for you, me holy man no man.
Hold the other hand, the police. Why you not come? No, he.
Robbery.
Hold on. Go underneath.
Where's Bandy?
Man, I beat up people and we move man. Give man some box man. Give man some gun both there.
I did a breaking up people's house.
We never go in the house.
Who go in the house?
Where's Bandy?
Who go in the house? Give man a gun, but him up to make him a good.
What the name?
Man, them just
What the name? Let me just speak with it. Let's try that. Let's try that.
Then there, you couldn't move.
Where's Bandy? You're straight man, you don't look at him at all. I first ever see your face.
Whole wall of phone boys, you man. What the light up sir? Nah, you man not got it. Jack got it.
You call yours by your name?
Boy, I think if I be maybe meet the man, yeah. Boy, pan me don't chop up in there. I'll leave you in there, shady. Seriously.
I mean, he can't find us in the area.
In a road,
No, he ain't gunshot to serious.
I might charge her there. Let me see. I might know.
Take him, man. Take him.
I might know.
Everything is right, man. Just for you, man. Charger. Sit down. 20 minutes.
I'm been in the house. I been in the house.
What you mean?
Charger, yeah. Yes. We can look my charger, yeah. How you get it, sir?
So you get the charger?
You
got my book bag all thing.
Where you get the charger?
Who got my bag? Where I put it in my book bag, partner?
Can look my charger, yeah.
Yo, where put it in my book bag? Yo, where take my book bag? I put it in my bag. Where take out my book bag? Everything there?
It's if you transform.
Now move them, leave them there.
Don't touch them. Waka, don't touch them. Don't touch them. Don't touch his stuff then.
So you been in our house with the boy?
Hey!
Boy, I know you can't kill him.
Hey,
What can't go for color shop for man? Go for color, Kibi. Go for color, Kibi. Go for color. Go for color, Kibi. I'm sure I'm man, man.
Let me go in the house.
Yeah, more than.
Go for color, Kibi, man.
Wait, let me get some food tire.
Boy.
Hold on.
Boy.
Hold on down. Don't do that. Take off your belt and use it as a handcuff.
Hold on down, let me kick away from the police. I just have a kind of report.
Take off your belt to a car.
This videotape and tell me say.
Big stop. You have your videotape. You have videotape. That's stupid. You wrong with you, stupid.
Video come.
Don't touch it, man.
Give me next son. Give me next son.
Use the hand as. Yeah.
Lay up on the back. Give me a phone, the whole thing. Give me a phone, the whole thing.
The man just give me phone.
Man, just your phone.
Right.
Give me a phone, yes, man.
That's my chain now.
And not the chain.
Yeah.
Don't go in the chain.
Don't go in the house.
Don't go in the house. Don't go in the chain.
Yeah.
You have to look at the rest of the today.
Where's my ending?
Is that chair them?
Look what? What is Sabi? Oh. Another fine train there too. A train, Sabi?
They don't talk about break it for how to it.
They have something about bridge.
Eh?
So they have one in kitchen.
You got to get them up there so. Do you videotape them?
So you saw me I talk about now viewers and subscribers, you see me? The fact that this person had been captured, you see me? The person is like the person seems more angry that you know the person had been captured than the person, you know, should be feeling bad for know so that, you know, you had been captured and being involved in the whole breaking and entering thing. You see what I say? Like break into somebody's house and then I take them things, you understand? You mean things that people work for. Or if then they work for it, it is not your own. You understand? You see me? Because I look on the video and I see where the person just goes zoop like the person try to either the person try to hit off of somebody that was there recording or something. I said to myself, but wait. Really? I mean, you find yourself in a situation where you shouldn't even be in the first place. You shouldn't even try to do something like that in the first place. And you know me, I look on the person's face and I see where the person seems more angry than the fact that the person should be, you know, regretting that you do something like this. You see me? But anyways, above all, I hope so that this person that is said to be the thief, you know, I only hope that this person, you know, will come to some form of realization that what the person had done is wrong. You get what I'm saying to you? Because really and truly, you know, overall this not look good. You see me? This just not look good. You see me? Alright, but anyways, me hope say not only him will learn, but others might learn, you see me I say, and know so that this whole thing is wrong, you see me? And big up to all of the hard-working people out there, you understand me? I have to big up each and every real hard-working persons out there, you understand? Because, you know, them could have chose to do this, but no, them not chose to do this, them rather to do things the honest and the best way. So I want to big up each and every one of you hard-working persons out there. You understand? Yeah. To me, you know, it's like hardworking people not get enough respect to me. You see me I say? Yeah, so me a big one up. Yeah, man. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, you know, this is where me leave it. You can let me know what you think about this video that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. And you know, Dancehall Skilla only there, so if you keep you up to date and posted and make you know what go on. Yeah, so me I say, this video is out on social media. Comments that be made about this video on social media, I'm gonna bring it to you so that you can have a look at it and you can tell me what you think. Alright? Yeah, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.